Facebook Marketplace post. I am outside of the house now because they were very precise. I'm going to read you the post. Christmas decorations from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. November 26th. That's today. Nothing over $5. Don't message or ask questions. I'll be there at these times. There's nothing outside. I don't see anyone else here. It's about 10 minutes out. I'm gonna see if I can record this because this should be interesting. Maybe there's something good here, maybe not. But it was just very thorough on time and don't ask questions and things like that. So if he doesn't want me to record, I'll be respectful. I could see that it was a gentleman posting it. So we're gonna see if we can find something. I'm hoping for some good stuff. Hey, kitty, kitty. No. I don't know if it's in the house.
I know, you don't know nothing. Hello?
Are they in the garage?
Could be something else.
I mean, looks like stuff's back here. Right.
Hello?
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 Hey.
Hey there.
Around?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, we just got here and I was like, I said, okay, I guess it's around back.
Yeah, it's around back because I ain't hauling it up front.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, I'm
I was respecting your wishes. I wasn't gonna message you nothing. I was just making sure I was at the right place.
Yeah, it's all less than. I'm trying to say that there's a lady that wants to. She's got a little grandson about 3 years old. They're trying to do a front yard Christmas decoration contest in Hopewell.
Nice.
So I'm trying to keep those blow up things for them right now. Until they
Those, okay.
But you know, everything else is.
Is the pumpkin for sale?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I love that.
I got more. I got Valentine's over here, Halloween over here, and Christmas was in this whole.
Yeah.
And I got this is a complete glass village set.
Glass village.
It's in there. I mean, bigger one over there is another village.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
All kinds of Halloween stuff. Hey.
Oh, those are cool. Those, see,
Oh, those are neat.
I'm a sucker for that stuff. Yeah, those are cool.
Let's see what else I got. This is a Grim Reaper that goes across the screen.
Oh yeah.
Go to it and it goes.
And he slides across.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah.
And then I got what I just put him.
I'll make me a big old pile.
This is.
Oh, like a dancing vampire.
Yeah, he's.
And Halloween minion. Yeah, you got all kinds of stuff.
Everything pretty much is what's in a tote. To haul it off would be $5 because I'm losing my tote. You know what I'm saying?
Gotcha.
Because then the stuff basically free. I'm just covering the cost of not losing my tote.
Oh, the jack is cool. Old jack. Because my kids are little now, so
When I got my
we
first
add to it
divorce,
every year.
My wife cleaned me out completely, so that was a good thing.
Yeah,
So
that's.
I think about every 5 years I should have got a divorce and take everything you do up.
Bad attitude.
Not after you've done it once. You know? Yeah, that's a lot of stuff over there. Some school stuff too, but
Yeah.
you know, the Halloween stuff's behind you.
Okay. There's like a witch or something in this one.
Get it out where you can see it.
Yeah, drop this stuff off.
My wife was overzealous. Well, I mean, the kids were small.
Yeah. Well, I guess you do $5 for the whole tote.
Yeah.
You said, yeah, because I was like, this will be more of a fun mystery to go through. Right. I understand that. These are cool. Yeah. The last two totes in there look like they were your personal stuff.
I have no idea. I know there's one back in the corner was kids' place.
Yeah, I saw that one. Yeah, this one had like picture frames and stuff.
Oh, okay.
But, I mean, there was one thing in there I was interested in. It had some comic books and stuff. I'll bring it out here. But I don't know if it was your stuff.
Oh, this is my family stuff. This is my father's stuff, I think, here. But, yeah, show me what you want.
But yeah, no, you had just some loose comic books hanging in here. It was just, they're kind of scattered throughout.
Well, go ahead and go through there and pull them out, and then we'll make me an offer.
Okay, I'll do that.
You see, this is my dad's official records. I got it for my mom's. Yeah, that's my mother's records there.
Oh, really?
Both my parents were in World War II.
Really?
Yeah, my mother was a dietitian and in charge of a mess hall.
Oh, what'd your dad do?
He was in a Sherman tank going across France to Czechoslovakia. And some of them might be worse. Let me see what the hell's in that box out of curiosity. Let's see, who's this?
Find some money.
Oh, well, yeah, but it's all changed, but I'm looking.
That's still cool.
My dad's dog tags.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll have to go through this little box.
Going steady. Bugs Bunny. Shining Green. Wagon Train. Little Lulu.
That's old.
Those are cool. Wrapping paper and stuff.
I have no idea what's in there.
Yeah, I was gonna bring it out with the other Christmas stuff.
Oh, okay.
In case more people swing by.
Hopefully.
Alright, so what do I owe you?
Well, let's see. The comic books are a little bit, I don't know what they're worth. So they're more of a collectible item than the other stuff was, you know.
Yeah.
Make me a fair offer on all that stuff. Like I said, the comic books are probably worth more than everything you got there.
It could be, you know.
It could be and it couldn't be. You
I'm
know?
like, some of them, you know, they're cool.
Yeah, just make me a fair offer.
$40.
Oh yeah, I'll do that.
That'll work. So I've got the Santa Claus and the snowman for that. But yeah, just seeing what else I can find. So
Appreciate it.
yeah, thank you, thank you.
Rather than you carry that out, why don't you get your car and drive in here?
Pull right here.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. All right, so we picked up some really good stuff there. A lot of that stuff we're probably going to keep. If I sell that blow mold, I'll get like locally probably 30 bucks, 40 bucks. Got that big black Halloween candy bucket. Those go online for like 25, 30 bucks also. And I'm probably going to sell that blow mold skull. Haven't seen any, but it could be worth some good money. But the other totes full of the Despicable Me little blow ups and stuff, we're keeping those for next holiday season. But I was so blown away by those personal totes in the back, and I said, hey, saw all these comics in there. And that's where the money's going to come back for paying $40 for a lot of stuff we're probably going to keep. You know, we may sell off a few things here or there, but I want to cover with you those because I just picked them up. I don't know a lot. I'm not a professional. So maybe my few little tips I know could help you out as well, because I just saw the price stamp on there, 10 and 12 cents. So let me show you quickly what buying that little lot of comics can turn into. Now this whole stack here, because of sell-through rate or condition issues, are not going to bring in more than probably $5, but I'll just quickly flash through them to show you. Like this is a 1965. It is Superman and Batman's World's Finest. We got this Golden Key Tarzan of the Apes, Sad Sack Sarge, Army Life, Sarge. I can probably lot those three together. Huckleberry Hound, Jungle Cat, Chip and Dale, Outlaws of the West. There's a few more Western comics that I might also lot together. Archie, look at that. Good old DuckTales. Bugs Bunny, Mutt and Jeff, Two Gun Kid, one of those other outlaw comics. Shadow, that was a cool one. Thought it would be worth something, but yeah, 12 cents, number 8. War Stories, Western Comics, a Matt Savage adventure, 10-cent comic. Space Mouse, Hercules Unchained, Turok Son of Stone, Jimmy Olsen. But I did have a few more that are definitely going to triple, I think, my money for this whole day. We got Journey into Mystery. Here comes Gondola. This one will bring in about $10 to $15 in its current condition. Metamorpho, the Element Man, another $10 to $15 comic, and it was the Brave and Bold. This was a cool one. I just saw the cover art and I thought that was cool. Going Steady, the last one, went up for auction in this condition, sold for $25. The Phantom, Harvey Hits, another $20 to $30 comic. This was pretty interesting. This was Brave and Bold Metamorpho, and it was number 57. It was when they first introduced him. This is a key issue here. This one will probably go to the $30 to $40 price range. Just realized after looking at the footage, I didn't make a close to this, and yeah, it has been another day. I shaved that beard off. Tell me what you think. Keep the beard, lose the beard, but wanted to show you. Keep on being kind to people at these, not even listed as a yard sale, because yes, we tripled our money with a little tote in the back. He said, go in there and look through all that stuff. A lot of that stuff we're going to keep, but we're going to make some good money on those comics. And thanks for hanging out as always. Subscribe. We appreciate it. Channel's been growing, and it's thanks to you. We can't thank you enough. See you on the next one.